Hi there. In this video we are going to talk about how to run PHP on your computer. So what you will need to run PHP. So you will need following application, which is called MAMP. It is for Mac, WAMP or XAMPP. It is for Windows, and LAMP. It is for Ubuntu. So if you notice, this AMP part is similar for all the platforms. So what does it mean? A for Apache, which is server, M for MySQL or MariaDB, which is database system, P for PHP, and this first character is for OS which you are using, M for Mac, W for Windows, L for Linux, and X means it's a cross-platform. So XAMPP basically works on all the platforms, but I do recommend using MAMP for Mac, LAMP for Ubuntu, and WAMP or XAMPP for Windows. So here is the link for MAMP, WAMP, this is XAMPP, and this is LAMP. So I'll put all these links into the description section. And as I am using Mac OS, I have already installed a MAMP, which is this. It looks like this. You have to start and stop through this button. So, and you can have an option which server you want to use, Apache or Nginx. I am using Apache and PHP version 7.4 as well. It is latest version, but I do recommend using 7.4, and these are some preferences if you want to see, but as of now it's okay. Just start the web server, whatever you are using. Once you start, you will have the link like web start or something, but if you don't have, then you can access your server page using localhost 888 or only localhost, maybe. No, in my case my localhost URL is this. Let's see what happens if we click on web start. Okay, this is basically welcome page for the WAMP server, MAMP, sorry. Yeah, you will have all the info about your stack, your MySQL password and all, but currently we don't need this. It's okay, just, and your website or PHP file goes here. So all of these are PHP sites on my system. So for Windows it will be only localhost, but in my case it's localhost and port. So maybe ports are here. Yeah, yes, the Apache port is this. So yeah, just try to run just localhost. If it doesn't work, add the Apache host after the localhost. So that's that. Oh, sorry. Okay, so now so that's that. This is an application, and now how and where to add PHP files. So in my case, into the application, you have to find map. Sorry. No, not the map pro. Yeah, here is the map. Then htdocs. So you have to find the htdocs folder in your system. So for Windows and Ubuntu, whenever you install the WAMP or LAMP, it will ask where you want to install your application, and you will have path like this, WAMP and then htdocs. So into the htdocs folder, let's create a folder called PHP toots, and then in the PHP toots folder you can give whatever you name. So whatever you put in the htdocs, it will start appearing over here. So here is our folder PHP toots, and if I go under this, currently it's an empty, so let's add a new file. But before that, let me add this folder to this. Sorry. So here I am on my folder I set in the editor, and now let's try to add a file, hello.php. so make sure your file extension should be .php, and once you add this file, it will start appearing over here, and you have to access this file by clicking on the file name. So currently file is empty. Let's add some code in this file. So PHP, how to add PHP code? So you have to use this PHP tag. So always make sure whenever you want to run any PHP, there you have to open and close this tag, and in between this tag only you can execute PHP, and file name should be file extension should be PHP only. Now let me just simple print hello PHP. So we will learn what is this, and currently I am just showing you how to add code and execute. So let's refresh this page, and yeah, we are saying something. So yeah, this is how you can add your PHP and execute. See you in the next video.